You will fall in love with all of the fantastic features this beautiful home has to offer. Character abounds within this lovely open floor plan, from the vaulted ceilings to the 6-panel solid doors. Abundant cabinet and counter space in the kitchen, along with a spacious center island and walk-in pantry. The dining area offers sliding glass doors to the semi-private back deck. Natural lighting is stunning through the elegant windows throughout. 3 bedrooms up with a full bath and a master suite, presenting 2 walk-in closets and a roomy bath complete with a separate shower and jetted soaker tub. Waking down to the lower level, you will find a family room, bedroom or office, and a shower stall bath. This amazing home is comfortable, offering zone heat and central air. You will be pleasantly surprised by the amount of storage space throughout, along with